Okay, so today we are going to create a new page and talk about what data is and how can we store some data in our component, and also we will talk about the v4 loop, so to loop through our data. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna create a new page that will be accessible through the router. I'm not going to create it on the left menu. I will just create it here. So I will go and copy the dashboard component, duplicate it, and then use it as our template or our playground. So let's go ahead and go to our pages. I'm going to take the dashboard, copy and paste it. So I have a copy of it, and then I'm going to call it playground.view, and I will clean it a little bit. In the template, I will just remove everything except the main div. So I have just a main div. In the script, same thing. I will delete those imports. I will remove those components. We don't have any other component. Remove this comment. Empty the data, so we won't have anything except data. And I believe I made a mistake here. So data and here. Okay, data, and then that's the end of the script and style. So this is my component. I have my template, I have my script, and I have my style, which is empty for now. I'm going to save it, and now to access this component I have to add it to the router. So I will go to routes and playground.view. Okay, so I will go to routes and add it as a child component. So I will call it here, copy this, and call it playground. And I will import this component, which I didn't import yet. Copy paste this one, take the component here, and playground.view. So I'm going to import the playground from pages. Playground, we just copied the dashboard and we have a copy of it. So now we should be able to access this page. So if I go here instead of dashboard, and yes, we have the header, we have the footer, and it's empty. Okay, now let's go to our playground that we just created, just to make sure that I'm going to type something here, and we should have it here. Okay, good. Now in this template here, I can create whatever I want. I can make UL, LI, for example, ×5, and whatever here. And you can see that I created, yeah, that's good. So I don't need this one. Let's keep it empty. Now in the data, we can put some information here, for example, a name. So that's my key, and that's my value. Okay. And let's see, nothing happens here, nothing happens here. So, but if I make interpolation of the name, and this is called interpolation in the Vue.js, so it will look forever, whatever it's between the double curly braces, it will go to the data, and we'll try to find this. If it finds it, it will just interpolate the value of that key. By doing so, we should have foo. Okay, good enough. Now if I have more information here, I can access them through this magic double curly braces. So just to spare you some time, and I'm not going to type all this data, I will just go and copy paste it. And what we have, so I created a string name, an array, fruits, apple, bananas, orange, and an array of objects here. So if I go and interpolate my name, it's gonna write pelican. Here we go, pelican, and then fruits. Let's try fruits here and see. Yeah, that's an array. You got the idea. And then if we go with people, and people, we have the array. Now let's loop through those data. I can say, for example, fruits here. I can do that. I am allowed to do that 0. It's gonna show me the first element of my array, which is apple. And I can now I want to make for loop. So how do I do that? I can make a ul and then an li, and let's make it 3 li's, and inside the li's I'm gonna make a link. Now I can go ahead and go make fruits here, so I will make double fruits 0, and just I should have used the other method, but that's okay. And I have my unorganized list ul. But as you can guess, we need a for loop somehow, right? So how can we do that? We have in Vue we can use something called v4. So v, just type v, and you will find that v4 is there. v4 something in somethings. So v4 fruit in fruits. You can call whatever you want this item, okay? And then you can just go and print your item of your array. So let's save it and see what happens. Banana, apple. What's this? V4. Let's see. Where is the mistake? Here. Fruit. Fruits. Okay. And let's put it inside the A instead of the outside of the A. And here, dummyfoo.com. That's a link. Of course that's a mistake, but that's okay. So Apple, and they will all take you to foo.com. You can see the link here. Yeah. Okay, I hope it's clear. So we made a v4 loop, and you can see that VS Code is complaining, but that's not important for now. It's looking for a key, but for now we just don't care about the key too much. So let's make another v4, but this time I want to go and loop through my my object here. So I will do this same thing for people, for person in people, because one person, many persons, which is people. So I'm gonna display the person, but now we are here, we are this object, so we can display his name or his age. So let's say dot, because it's an object, dot name, and let's see Alex, and let's add something else, for example an arrow, and person dot age. So we have our loop. So this is the v4. Now notice that these people, they are just an array of objects in our data. Okay, I hope it's clear. I try to be a little bit fast so I can cover many things. And next we will talk about more things like life cycle of a component. So yes, that's it, without making extra time. Thank you.